So now we have another problem that talks about sales tax when you purchase a car. So here I've got three problems here, but it's all wrapped into the same problem, okay? So it's three parts. So the first part, well, we have to write an expression for the sales tax on this car. So first things first, we know that the tax rate of this car is 7% and the price is P dollars. So how would we write an expression that talks about the tax rate? All right, so I'm going to label this problem one, part one, part two, and part three. There we go. So over here, part one, the tax rate is 7%. So immediately right there, 7%. Anytime you see a percent sign, you should always convert it to a decimal number. So as 7%, that would be 0.07 times the price of the car. So in this case, the price is P dollars. So that means 0.07 P would be your answer for part one. Okay. Now for part two, the tax rate is R and the price is $20,000. So this one's going to be similar to what we just did, except we're going to be dealing with just different variables, different letters. Okay, it's going to be very similar. So the price of the car is $20,000. And then the tax rate is R, which it doesn't necessarily give us a percentage, but the rate right there tells you that's going to be a percent. So, but we don't need to convert a percent to a decimal. Okay, we don't have an actual number value. So in this case, 20,000 times R would all that you would need to put in there because your rate is R. Your rate is your tax rate on this one. Okay. So part three, this is going to be the one that a lot of students struggle with. The tax rate is 6%. The price is $1,000 off of the sticker price, which is P. All right, so this is where we're going to have to do a little subtraction. Aha, keyword, subtraction. So that means you automatically need to think backwards. So the price of the car is $1,000 off of the sticker price. So what that tells you is that your price that you're going to pay of the vehicle, your original price minus 1,000. Okay. And then we have to tack on the tax rate. So the tax rate they give us would be 6%. So as a decimal number, a percentage would be 0.06. So this expression right here is how much you would pay including taxes. So remember, subtraction, you have to think backwards a little bit. That keyword should automatically tell you, oh, hang on, hit the brakes real quick. Let's shift it in reverse. As always, let me know what you got. Happy to help, guys. Any questions, throw them my way.